OzoCheck is a great choice for measuring your blood pressure. It allows for an accurate, quick, and easy to perform measurement from the comfort of your home, office, or even while travel. Now, before starting to use OzoCheck BP-LS arm type fully automatic digital blood pressure monitor, you should follow these important guidelines for accurate results. We recommend you read the owner's manual before using the device. Avoid eating, exercising, smoking, drinking alcohol, or bathing 30 minutes prior to testing. Sit in a calm environment in a relaxed position for 5 minutes before and while testing. Avoid speaking, moving body parts, or using your phone while testing. Try to measure your blood pressure at the same time, in the same position, and on the same arm each day. Now, you are all set for the measurement. OzoCheck Blood Pressure Monitor BP-LS is designed to operate on batteries supplied with the unit. To start using the device, insert 4 AA batteries in the battery compartment on the back of the BP monitor. Insert the cuff air plug into the left side of the BP monitor unit. Now, grab the cuff with your right hand and place it on your upper left arm. The tube should be above the arm, not under the arm. The tube should be facing down towards the hand and cuff tightly worn with bottom of cuff about 1 to 2 centimeters above elbow joint. Place your arm with your hands open on a table to keep it aligned with your heart. Press Start/Stop button to start testing. Sit calm and straight during the measurement. The cuff will inflate automatically, deflate automatically, and the results will be displayed on the monitor unit. The result includes your systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings and the pulse rate. The WHO BP classification indicator is included on the left side of the display. You can press the start or stop to switch off the device after removing the cuff. Make sure to note the blood pressure readings and share it with your doctor. For more details on our products or for support, visit www.ozocheck.com.